In this video, strawberries coming out to play. I've got a spritz for you, but I promise you, you won't have ever guessed the ingredients that I'm going to use for this. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. As I've just said, I'm creating a spritz. It's almost that time of year if you're watching this live when it comes out, or loosely within a month or so. The sun hopefully is sort of coming out to play a little bit mid-April, and it's still a bit chilly outside, but it's nearly time in it. It's nearly time. We're in the UK. We're about to be let out to play. I'm using Monin's Strawberry Syrup here. I've created a spritz. I've called it, I'm terrible at names, I've called it a Honey Strawberry Spritz. But feel free, if you've got any better suggestions, feel free in the comments below. I'm not going to give the game away too much, but obviously we've got honey notes in there. We've got strawberry notes in there. I don't know what else to say about that. That is flipping delicious. If you make this, tag us on Instagram at Drinkstuff and get this spritz rocking out. Someone give it a name and get this go out there, because I really want to see you guys make this. Right, let's dive in. Let's make the cocktail. Run you through the ingredients. Obviously, I have got Monin's Strawberry Syrup here. Of course, as I always say, feel free to flip out, riff out. There's lots of things you can do here. You could use fresh strawberries, and I'm going to use fresh strawberries in the garnish as well. You can use ODK Strawberry Puree that Drinkstuff also sell. You can use Funkin' Strawberry Puree, just to add a bit of sugar to it to balance it out, because Funkin' stuff isn't primarily just puree, it's just the fruit. Jam, whatever you fancy. But so just something kind of strawberry there. I've gone for a honey tequila. I treat this more of a liqueur. There are tequila notes to it, but it's not, I wouldn't class it as an out and out tequila. I use it as a honey liqueur more than anything, but it is lovely. It's a decent strength as well. It's 34% ABV, so decent strength. Well, it is a pretty decent strength liqueur, but as I say, you don't get too many tequila notes from it. Not too many. Enough, but not too much. I've gone for Aperol, just to kind of dial the bitterness down, because it is quite sweet. I've kind of gone ODK lemon juice. I say professional grade, it is just pure lemon juice. And honestly, when you're mixing cocktails like this, especially lots of different flavours, you're not going to tell the difference between fresh and flavoured, fresh and bottled like that. So it's proper. It's not like Jif lemon, Jif lime, nothing like it. It's proper lemon juice, shelf stable, long life, because of one little tiny bit of antioxidant that the wine industry uses. So, and I've got soda water and I've got Prosecco. No need to shake this one. As it's a spritz, I'm going for my, I love serving spritzes up in kind of stemless wine glasses. It's just me, it's just what I love. Feel free to use a wine glass, feel free to use a gin balloon if you want, whatever floats your boat. So, ingredient number one, I'm going for 15 ml, 1.5 of this syrup, strawberry syrup, Monin Strawberry Syrup. 1.5. Oh, yeah. I failed with the glass, didn't I? I'm gonna have to hold it there. We'll rinse it out with the other ingredients. So we've done that. I'm going for 60 ml, quite punchy, of honey tequila, honey liqueur. Aperol, just to kind of dial, give it that little bit of bitterness. 15 ml, 1.5. And just to give it that tiny bit of bitterness, and that'll play really well with the whole strawberry thing going on there. I'm going to just give it a very quick stir, just right now. This wasn't part of the plan, but I just thought on my feet. Give it a little stir. That's a bit naughty. Right, lemon juice, 15 ml of lemon juice. Oh, that is really naughty. Oh, the honey is. Right, now I'm going for 30 ml of soda water. You could even go flavoured soda waters if you want for this. Right, and I'm going to do my Prosecco at. I'm just going to add a little bit of ice to start off with. A little bit of ice. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll do. I've got some pre-cut strawberries here that I've already done. Here's some strawberries I've thrown on the floor earlier. Oh no, that was my last bit. That'll do. Right, I'm just going to give this a gentle stir, just to combine the ingredients. Get that strawberry syrup kind of blended in. Lovely, jubbly. Right. And then, that is really good. Some of you might not even want the Prosecco. There we go. So it's up to you. If you don't want a Prosecco, don't bother. But I'm going for I'm going for 60 ml of Prosecco, kind of like standard sort of spritz. And there we go. I completely had an admin failure. I was going to stick a sprig of mint in there. Hang on. And then by the magical powers of editing, I've got a little sprig of mint here. I'm just going to give this another very gentle stir. Maybe, because we don't want to get rid of too much of the gas, do we? Maybe just one more chunk of ice. And then just to garnish, I've got a little strawberry. There we go. And then the little sprig of mint, just to kind of give it that colour contrast. Right then, coming up on screen right there will be even more Monin kind of recipes for you to dive into, especially strawberry stuff. Let's go and check them out. If you like the recipe, big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future content, hit that button right there, subscribe.